Hey, so if you're getting unwanted watermarks in Clipdrop, yeah, like your exported images show marks, overlays, or branding you didn't expect, that can be really frustrating. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to fix it. First, make sure you're using the right plan. I mean, some free features may add limitations or reduced quality outputs depending on the tool. Next, yeah, check which tool you're using. I mean, some modes are designed for previews and may include watermarks. Now, try exporting again. I mean, temporary glitches can sometimes add unwanted overlays. Yeah, choose higher quality export settings. I mean, low quality modes can sometimes affect output clarity. Now, cached sessions can cause incorrect rendering. Clearing cache and reloading often fixes watermark issues. Yeah, browser extensions can interfere with rendering and overlays. Try disabling them temporarily. Now, open Clipdrop in incognito mode. I mean, this removes cache and extension conflicts that may cause watermark display issues. Yeah, switch to Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. I mean, browser compatibility can affect how images are rendered and exported. If nothing works, some tools may have built-in limitations. I mean, certain features may always include marks unless fully unlocked. So yeah, that's how you fix clip drop watermark problems. Most of the time, it's plan limitations, tool settings, or export issues. Try these steps, and your images should come out clean. Thanks for watching.